Hey there, Horton. It's Selena. Just a little video of Randy riding along. We definitely got the Ural started. Seems that one of the spark plugs had been flattened out and there was no gap, so that's not going to work. And the throttle cable was actually not the problem. It was actually the throttle itself, so we will correct that. But I'm definitely leaning a little more toward user error, only because of the choke lever down here. Very easy to hit it and then ride around with the choke on, whether you mean to or not. But anyway, Horton, I will be sending you much more information later through email and this little video, but as you can see, she's running fine. And we're going to take her for a test ride right now. Talk to you soon.